Greetings to all. I am Dr. Ashok Kumar Katta, Department MBA, Vistas, Program MBA, Subject Operations Management. Today, the topic for the presentation is on functions of logistics management. We all know why this topic is so important for us. Nowadays, we are getting all the products with the help of logistics only. You just assume if there is no logistics, we cannot get by any kind of products for our regular usage. Here, we can find out the 6 important functions of the logistics management. The first one is warehousing, packing, transportation, cargo handling, inventory management, order processing. These are all directly, indirectly influencing the logistics management to work properly. The first one is order processing. The order processing is when there is a company, when there is a factory, they need to give orders to various supply chain or logistics involved drivers. And these drivers, what they will do, they will confirm it, they will work for us until completion of the transaction. Here, not only after the manufacturing of the product, but also that whenever you need their services, they will definitely help us in a better way. Now, once the orders received by the logistics, they will be start their process. Even some kind of logistics companies, what they will do, the moment when they receive the orders, again they will call to the concerned person who or the institution who has given the orders. By calling, they will confirm the order, then they will process it. Here, the orders receiving relatively reach to the destination. Next one, inventory management. The logistics, they were working for on behalf of us to maintain of inventory levels also at the organization. Inventory management is all the time a tedious task. This is commonly known by everyone. When there is a tedious, when there is a hardcore work was involved, definitely the logistics management will be involving it to make it as smooth way of transportation or delivering it, and they will take care of by the entire process. Cargo handling. Even cargoes also comes under the important part of logistics. Here, cargoes, choppers, goods, n number of transportations we are using for grand success of this logistics management. Transportations, packing, warehousing, all these are directly, indirectly will influencing on the product should not be damaged. Product should be delivered on time. The product should be very much attractive. A small potato I want to sell in the market. The potato worth is not more than 5 rupees, but I want to sell in the market for 20 rupees. We need to cut it to the pieces. We need to add salt and pepper. Then we need to have a beautiful packing. Then we can decide the price of product for 20 rupees. So when compared to content, the presentation also to be very important to attract by the all the users. So on behalf of us, the logistics will be performing by the gift packing or any kind of facilities. They will definitely work on behalf of suppliers or the order whoever is given. Here we'll talk about detail one by one. The first one, order processing. Any delivery process can only function if there is an order processing. You just assume if there is no order, then there is no need of logistics department to work more effectively. Here, the orders nowadays the companies are giving by using about AI, ML, ERP, SAP systems. When the material values are the quantity sizes, whenever it is decreasing, by default ERP will remind us or automatically this will be giving an order to the suppliers. So those kind of system we are having, and that is going to give an alarm to the regular logistics, whoever doing for us or for our institution. They will also immediately getting a notification from their TMS, transport management system, and relatively they will get the orders and they will deliver to the suppliers, or else from supplier to wholesale retail people also will be done by the logistics managers. Inventory management. Inventory control is among the logistics functions that are all often grouped together under inventory warehousing umbrella. For the purpose of this guide, we separated inventory and warehouse management process. Inventory refer to stocking finished goods in a storage facility. In order to support the transportation and delivery process, inventory control all the time required information for maintaining inventory records. We need to ensure about this safety, predicting the demand for the goods, and of course, we are going to maintain by reorder stocks. The stock, not only by these things, but also the logistics managers, whenever they are working on behalf of us, the entire data they will be keep it as a separate copy. Based on that, year on year, they will try to give some kind of discounts whenever we are going to reorder, or on behalf of us, they will do about market assassination, and relatively they will guide some kind of information also to the companies, because all these are techniques for to ensure to continue the business with them. Warehousing. We know very well warehouse is a place where we will keep the semi-finished products or a finished product to be dispatched to the intermediaries. Here in the warehouse also we are going to maintain a track system. In the tracking system, the movement of the goods left from warehouses to how many hours or how many days which is going to take to reach about our intermediaries or by the end users. Each and every movement of that can be noted with help of by the tracking system. At the warehouses, we are going to have handling, packing, shipping workflows are also to be established they are using. All these are an automation process for current scenario. It is not like a olden days to sit, to be having the big books to study and to be regarded by the all the transactions. Those things are gone out. Now they are using QR code and barcode. The moment material was entering inside, the barcode will be scanned. All the records are by default will be getting into the system. There is no need to sit and type it. Your duty is to monitor, to check whether all the documents are correct or any kind of updates are to be required. You need to do it. A warehousing transportation. As per the many records, many trends are taking place. For the fulfillment in 2023 will be the micro warehousing and micro fulfillment. By strategically placing inventory in small warehouse located in densely populated area, retailers are planning to cut transportation cost and encourage more pickups. Because of the automated routing and route optimization can be done with unlimited departure locations, micro fulfillment can be very cost efficient. You can nail the warehousing transportation activities and delighted your customers with on-time deliveries. Packing. As we know, the packing is an important point of to give the beautiful presentation to match up with the requirements of the customers. Certain companies, what they will do, once they pack the product, they will be happy to receive damage-less product, and moreover the packing they will be using for multiple times also. It is just like a carry bag. Carry bag is we are getting from the shop and we are using for 4 or 5 times. Here also the packing where we can able to use it for the multiple types, whereas that is eco-friendly packing only. Cargo handling. Cargo handling is one of the major logistics activities that can't be overlooked when discussing logistics function. It is very closely related to packing and determines the logistics cost in very real way. Getting the package and handling procedures right is the foundation of physical distribution. It is equally important for safety and to store as well as to transport the products from one place to another place. No consumer enjoy the damaged products, as we know very well. We are paying money, so we are not encouraging any damaged product to be consumed. Even if they deliver to us, definitely we are going to refuse. We will be searching for what is the process of return the product, what is the shipping cost. Everything will be noted by the buyers when they are receiving the product. Transportation. So this is one of the component of the whole subject of logistics. Transportation is naturally playing the main important function. It is all the time to required step of every supply chain, and the way of companies build their transportation management system and functions determine the success of supply chain management. We have already spoke a lot about the logistics intermediaries and the kind of systems and the kind of elements are highly influencing the logistics management. When we have a review about the logistics, definitely there is an importance of to talk about the transportation system also. Thank you. Thanks for one and all.